What's up guys, welcome to a Marv guide. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Claude app in your MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, open Chrome or any other browser that you use, and once you sign into your Claude account, click on this download icon right here. So click on the icon, and then as you guys can see, do more with Claude everywhere you work, and it shows here desktop download for Mac OS. So I'm gonna click download, and as you guys can see, I'm currently waiting for the DMG Claude file that we're gonna open. So open the DMG file and drag the Claude app to applications. So that's it. If we click the launchpad now, we're gonna find the Claude app here, which we can put in our menu, and that's it. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.